Imagine a world where your credit score is no longer a barrier. Picture a time where you're free to dream and achieve, despite past financial mistakes. This is the story of John, hailing from the heartland of America, who turned his credit life around. John hit a low point. His credit score plummeted to the bottom. He felt trapped, cornered by debts, and haunted by financial mistakes. But John chose not to be defined by his past. He embraced change. He started small, opening a secured credit card, making timely payments, keeping his balance low. He proved his creditworthiness, and his credit score started to rise. John didn't stop there. He took on a small loan, paid it off responsibly. His credit score climbed even higher. He was no longer a prisoner of his past. He was a man with a bright financial future. John's journey isn't unique. It's a testament to the power of perseverance, the importance of financial literacy, and the possibility of a credit comeback. Your credit story could be the next success story. Remember, it's not about where you start, but where you finish. This is your time to shine, to rewrite your credit story.